Binance is the ultimate gateway to the crypto universe. Are you ready to join millions of traders worldwide? Follow these simple steps to verify your profile today. The future of finance is waiting inside this app. First, in the Show More section below the video, you will find a link that takes you directly to the Binance sign-up page. You must access and register through this link in order to receive the 50% trading fee rebate benefit. If you have accessed the page, we will now proceed with the registration process. If you sign up using Google, Apple, or Telegram through the options at the bottom, the rebate benefit may not be applied. Therefore, please enter your email manually to make sure the benefit is properly applied. Enter your email address, then check the Terms and Conditions box below and continue to the next step. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email address you entered. Check the code and enter it correctly to proceed to the next step. Finally, you need to set your password to complete the registration. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one uppercase letter and one number. If you see this screen after setting your password, it means your registration has been completed successfully. If a screen appears asking for a referral ID, enter bonus 7 and continue the process. By doing so, you will receive a 50% fee rebate along with a $600 welcome bonus. Now we will proceed with identity verification, which is a required step to use the exchange properly. Identity verification is mandatory when using any exchange, and it serves as an essential security process across all platforms. Since this process requires taking photos, please prepare your ID card and your mobile phone in advance. If you do not see the verification screen, click the Verify Now button on the main screen to continue. First, make sure your country is selected correctly. Then choose the method you will use for verification. In this case, we will proceed using the ID card option. On the next screen, you will need to select how you want to capture your identification document. We will proceed by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen. Once you scan the QR code with your phone, you will be redirected to the screen for capturing your ID. Make sure to align your ID within the frame shown on the screen so it can be captured correctly. After completing this step, you will need to proceed with face verification. Click the button at the bottom of the screen to start the process. Follow the voice instructions and look at the screen, and you will be able to continue without any issues. After that, review the personal information on your ID again, and if everything is correct, proceed to the next step. Finally, you will need to select your employment status and your occupation. Once you choose the appropriate options, the identity verification review will begin immediately. The review process usually takes about 10 minutes and will be completed shortly after submission. Now we will proceed with setting up OTP, which is required to securely manage your account. OTP setup is mandatory if you want to transfer funds on Binance, so make sure to enable this feature properly. To complete the setup, you need the Google Authenticator app, so please download it in advance from your App Store. Let's begin from the main screen and follow the steps one by one. Click the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. On the next screen, click on Account from the menu displayed on the left side. From the menu that appears, go to the Security section to continue. There are various two-factor authentication methods available, but we will use the most common authenticator app method. Click Manage first, then select Enable Authenticator app to proceed. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email, so check it and enter the code to move forward. On the next screen, a QR code and a backup key will be generated for security setup. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. tap the plus button at the bottom right. Then select Scan QR code to continue. Scan the QR code shown on your PC screen, and your OTP setup will be completed successfully. Return to the PC screen and click Next to proceed to the following step. Enter your 6-digit OTP code to complete the verification process. Once completed, the OTP setup will be successfully activated on your account. Hope you found this Binance tutorial helpful for your journey. Unlock your 50% trading fee return and $600 welcome bonus now. Missing these exclusive benefits is essentially turning away free equity. Subscribe to stay updated and leave us a comment.